When Masemola was acting head of crime intelligence, Mkhwanazi approved the unlawful expenditure by Masemola of 35 million rand of public funds on buying luxury cars. And that was in the early part, the first quarter of 2012.
Mkhwanazi is suing Paul O'Sullivan. Tables have turned against Paul O'Sullivan, and we're here for it. He was busy here insulting Mkhwanazi and General Fanny Masemola. He accused General Mkhwanazi and General Fanny Masemola of getting Louis Vuitton bags and also spending slush funds money. So now Mkhwanazi said, no, not in my name. I'm suing you for 5 million rand for defaming my character. Remember Paul O'Sullivan, the questionable character, the one who defended Ramaphosa on the Phala Phala farm scandal. On the 6th of July this year, Mkhwanazi made explosive allegations against the Minister of Police, Senzo Mchunu. He accused a lot of people, He also mentioned his associates. I'm talking about your Brown Mokgotsi, Vusimuzi Kat Matlala, the dangerous criminal, the one who's actually arrested for trying to allegedly delete his ex-girlfriend, Tebogo Tsobejane. I mean, it's not only that, he accused judiciary and also your parliamentarians who are working with criminals. He mentioned criminal cartels, drug syndicates, all those things. And Paul was having sleepless nights. He was going to all the media houses, tarnishing General Mkhwanazi's reputation and also Fanny Masemola. He even said on the SABC News that he wants Mkhwanazi and Fanny Masemola to fall. Who's going to fall now? Paul? I wonder who's going to fall now. Because if you really felt like Mkhwanazi committed a crime together with the National Commissioner, Fanny Masemola, you were supposed to open a case against them. Why didn't you do that? Or maybe you don't have evidence. He said a lot of things about Mkhwanazi. He said he's lying. He said he's lying about the things that he's saying. He's lying about everything. Everything that he said on that media briefing, he's lying. When asked about why would he say Mkhwanazi is lying about those allegations, he actually said no. He's trying to threaten the government. He's trying to do some sort of a coup. He was just saying stupid things like why Mkhwanazi is wearing that uniform. He's not supposed to wear that uniform. And he